Hello everyone, this is great. I want to make another withdrawal. This is going to be live, okay? And I know I have done several withdrawal videos before in estate, but I just want to reassure people again that withdrawal is working, and this is purely profit from the real estate that I have purchased, okay? Remember, you can withdraw on a daily basis and you can make your profit on a daily basis as well, Mondays to Friday. So I'm going to jump right in and show you exactly how to do this. Before I start, I want to let you know that I have already transferred all my profits that I have made from across all my real estate to my wallet balance. Okay, so all the money is now in my e-wallet, so I can now withdraw directly from my e-wallet. As you can see, I have $104.57. So I'm going to try to make an attempt to make this withdrawal. Okay, so if I click on buyer and just go to dashboard and then go to your wallet, right? And then I click on select withdrawal. From your right hand side there, you will see your withdrawal pane. So now you click on, you select whichever cryptocurrency you want to use. For me, I have already saved my USDT BEP20 wallet address, and the minimum to withdraw when you are using your BEP20 wallet address is $1. Okay, so I'm just going to enter 104.57. I'm going to take everything out there. Okay, and now it's going to ask me to enter my withdrawal pin code. Okay, this again, you can set this up already while you are registering, or even after your registration. You should be able to have your 6-digit pin for withdrawal. So I'm just going to enter my 6-digit pin withdrawal there, and I'm going to click confirm. Okay, and it says your withdrawal request has been successfully sent and will be processed shortly. So there you go. This is live withdrawal. Today that I'm making this withdrawal is on the 9th of December around 12:50, which is 10 minutes to 1 p.m. UK time. We are going to check how much time is going to take them to process that withdrawal. Usually they said it's 24 hours, but I have seen like within 30 minutes the money is in your account. Sometimes 3 minutes, sometimes 5 minutes. It depends. But I'm hoping that this money will go into my account now. Now go to my wallet and see if that money is there. The wallet I use for this withdrawal is my Trust wallet. So I'm going to go, I have the extension here on my browser. So I'm going to click on Trust wallet, and then you're going to see voila, the money is there. Okay, that is my USDT. And if I click into my USDT and go to history, okay, if I click on history, you will notice that the 103.52 has been deposited. Okay, that 93.91 was the last withdrawal that I made. So you can see how fast withdrawal is going in estate. This is live withdrawal, guys. This is happening. This is purely profit from your real estate. Okay, you can withdraw daily, as I said, although I don't do daily video withdrawal. Okay, but I do withdraw every now and then. Okay, so if you want to withdraw, this is the process to withdraw. First of all, go to your properties and then click on your properties and then click on transfer all the money you have made from your property that you purchased, and then lift it off to e-wallet. And then once it is in e-wallet, you can now request for withdrawal, and then boom, within seconds your money is approved, as you saw already in this video. This is working, guys. I am super happy and very excited for what estate have for us in the future. They have roadmap up to 2034. So many things that they have to do within now and 2034 that will make us to grow our portfolio, and of course grow in terms of the profit we are making as well. It's entirely up to you guys what you want to do with the information being presented to you. As I said to you guys always in my estate video, the opportunity is here. Make use of it. It's only $10 to get started, but I don't recommend anybody to start with $10 because you are not going to earn good money if you use $10 to start. Okay, so I'm looking at the minimum to start is $250. This is what I recommend people to get for the lake house real estate in our back office. You can go to 3,000, you can go to 10,000, you can go to 20,000 if you wish to do so, right? But again, however it is that you want to start with, whichever amount of money you want to start with, just know that you can start this platform in this December 2025 with $10. And then from next year, 2026, you can scale up, you can add more money on top of that. Okay, you are not restricted to the amount of money you will be able to add later on to purchase more fractional real estate in this platform. Okay, it's working perfectly okay. Deposit is working, daily profit is being deposited in your back office, you are able to withdraw. What else are you looking for, guys? Just ask yourself that question. What else are you looking for? Everything is legit. So use the link below this video description to sign up if you wish to join e-estate. Complete your KYC, do your deposit, and then purchase your real estate. The videos on how to do everything I have just said is below this video description. I have provided a link for you guys to watch those videos and then go ahead and do what you need to do. Remember, only action takers get profits. Only action takers get results. If you don't take action, you won't get any results. It's as simple as that. Okay, money cannot fall from heaven. You have to make the effort for the money to come to you. Thank you and God bless.